world first 8K 360 camera drone? Really? We need to talk. Alright, so apparently Insta360 has incubated a new drone brand in collaboration with other third parties, and together they've created AntiGravity A1, a new 360 capture drone that is set to revolutionize how we take 360 videos and footages. And this drone has came out with some pretty bold claim. I mean, it's not yet out, but based on the highlights, it has one key highlight which is pretty bold, and I'll get to why I'm talking about that in a sec. But first, let's talk about some of the key features of this drone. So the first feature is the 360 immersive live view and head tracking via the vision goggles. The second is the invincible drone effect through advanced image stitching. Then you get intuitive point-to-flight controls with the grip controller. And also it is compact and lightweight, under 249 grams for license-free flying in most countries and regions. Also, you get some safety features including return to home and payload detection system. Then the final feature is the ability to shoot 8K with the top and bottom lens configuration. And I mean, this thing is wild. It's crazy how far tech has come, because previous drones that I do know, I mean, I've never imagined that drone tech will reach this far, that you can, from normal POV to a whole 360. I mean, it's crazy. So apparently this drone records everything in 360 using a unique dual lens setup, and together the lenses capture everything around the drone. Then advanced stitching algorithm erases the drone from both the live feed video and the final footage, creating a smooth, immersive experience that places the drone pilot inside the scene without any distraction. Now, since everything is being recorded in 8K resolution, the pilot don't need to reframe their shot while flying. Instead, you can freely reframe the footage while editing. And this makes flying easier and reduce the risk of missing key moments in post. And you can also export footages in any aspect ratio without losing the quality. And this is something this is something that needs to be talked about. It's really crazy for real. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is traditional drones that fall within the category of 250 grams, which is license-free for most flying countries and regions. You see, they all shoot in 4K, and that's what everybody is used to. Now, the only time you can get to see an 8K res shooting drone is from the high-end ones like the DJI Inspire. And I know those drones are built for cinema stars, these Hollywood extreme things. But yeah, I don't understand. But for a drone to be 249 grams, to be able to shoot 8K was kind of like a thing that it was kind of mind-blowing. But me personally, I haven't really flown a drone before. But I've watched enough reviews on drones to, know the basic stuff and how drone works. Also, I did held one before, but I haven't really done the controlling myself. But I do also have friends that do own drones, and when they are flying it, it's kind of fun. I haven't really flown one. But for a drone to be this bold with this claim and the features it offers, it really caught my attention when I first saw it. I was only thinking that it was a DJI product when at first glance when I saw it, I thought it was a DJI product. And so when I first saw another company coming out with this, piece of tech, solid piece of tech, it was really, really, really impressive. When I first saw it, it was impressive. So yeah, maybe they might send one over for us to check it out and see, how well it is performing. But the availability of the drone is not yet out. It's not yet on the market for anyone to purchase. At the time of recording this video, it's said to be released in January 2026 with the full bundle and pricing, more details on it to be released ahead of the time of the launch. So we'll get to see this piece of tech somewhere next year. So yeah, you can keep an eye on their socials. You can also visit Insta360's, Twitter account to check out the trailer for yourself. If you haven't seen it, you can go watch it out. And yeah, it's been crazy. So yeah, do check those videos out. And if you like the kind of content I make, you can also watch my other videos and consider subscribing. Maybe be part of a community or something. And yeah, hey, Ola J, I see you, okay? Yeah, shout out to you. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.